Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to add an About Us page in your WordPress website. So as you can see, this particular website, I have several menu options here, but there's no About Us. So I want to add the About Us. So go to the WordPress admin dashboard, then scroll down to pages, then click on Add Page. You'll be asked to add the page title. So you put the title and then you click on this to add another box for text. So you click on paragraph, copy the About Us info and come and post it there. So you paste it, then you make sure you read through. If you have any problem, make sure that you make it clear and everything is edited professionally. And then you can also, these are links, so some of these, something like this one, if I want to I can highlight it and make it a clickable link. It is a link already, so let me do that. So you can highlight it and then come here, click here, and then I want to change the color because it is a link, a clickable link, so I'm making it blue. Then I want to click on publish so that everything will be published and I can continue the editing. So I'm publishing it. I can view the new page here while I continue the editing process. So the new page has been published, but I want to add a few things here, especially the SEO. So for it to be found or be more visible, I can add a meta description. A meta description is a short description that when they are searching, like when they search for you, they will, the short caption here will add more information. They will need to see that, and that will let them even click to go and watch whatever it is. So let me add a meta description. Now let's look at how the page looks like, and then on the front page, so that we can also edit it in Elementor if we need to. So if you come here, let me just refresh it so that all the changes I applied will take effect. So you see how it looks like. Now let me add, for those of you who don't know, this particular plugin, there's a plugin called Use SEO. It helps to, this is the logo of it, it helps for you to optimize your website for search engines so that you can be found in Google search. And so if you come to the SEO site, the Use SEO site, I've added a key phrase. I want that people who search for my name on Google, this particular thing will be able to show up. Then so you add the SEO title. The SEO title is what they will see when as the heading of your preview of that particular page or article. Then meta description. So you see the SEO analysis is green. What it means is that I've done it the right way it's supposed to be done. So you can install this plugin, go to your WordPress admin dashboard and then install it and optimize your site. Also add a featured image. So I just added one. And then to do that, those who may not know, you come to your page, come and tap on the page. After you have published it, come and tap on the page, and when you come here, you will see featured image. Okay, so here you will see a featured image. If you did not add one, you see add featured image, so you click on it and then add it. This one I've already added one, so I can only replace. So that's it. Now when you come to the front page, you can do further editing. So if you want it to customize it to look anyway, you can click on what, edit with, okay, so normally this is edit page, but we have edit with Elementor. So let me refresh and see if that option comes. Okay, so if that option doesn't come and you want to still edit with Elementor, you can just come to the front side of the website, the back end, sorry, the back end of the website. Then come to pages, all pages. So under all pages, this is the, where is the About Us? This is it, About Us. So you can come And then now sometimes when you hover around it, you may see the edit with Elementor like the way you see it here. However, because I have edited it with only the WordPress editor and not Elementor, it is not adding the edit with Elementor. But if you may want to use Elementor to edit it, you can still do it. You come and click on edit, and when it opens, you can see the edit with Elementor showing here. Yeah, you can see it. You can just open it and then edit it in Elementor. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. See you in the next video. If you have any problem doing this, leave your comments in the comment section. I'll follow up to help you do it right. You can also follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link to contact us on WhatsApp for assistance regarding anything about digital marketing, Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads, and then web development. Once again, see you in the next video.